Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok analytics are not showing on your TikTok. So guys, if you're facing the problem that the analytics are not showing up on your TikTok account, here we show you how can you fix them and how can you show your analytics on your TikTok account. So guys, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen and open up your settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and tap on TikTok from here, and offload your TikTok app from here for one time. And after this you have to open your app store, and from here you have to download and install the latest version of TikTok in your device. So I search here for TikTok, and from here update your TikTok to the latest version, and after this go back and check if the analytics are showing up or not. And if you are still unable to show analytics, then open your TikTok from here, tap on your profile, tap on three lines button, tap on settings and privacy, tap on account, and tap on switch to business account from here. Click on next, again next, again next, keep going, and select any category from here. Again tap on next, tap on skip, and now tap on maybe later. So guys, after this close this window, and from here again open your TikTok and tap on your profile. Here it is. Tap on three lines button, tap on business suite, and from here you can see the analytics option from here. So I tap on this and you can easily see your analytics for your TikTok account. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.